Almost everyone in XRP and crypto is right now flipping bearish, is giving up, is expecting lower prices. If you're one of these persons, please hear me out in this video because I have a very important message. I want to give you my personal opinion of what I believe is about to go down here for the price action. I want to give you 3 very important facts from a technical point of view. So yeah, I urge you all to watch it until the end. Let's get into it. I have my notes here because I don't want to forget anything. Let's get straight into it. So first off, guys, as you know, on the 10th of October, we had the biggest single liquidation day in crypto history. I believe $19 billion worth of futures leverage got completely wiped out in the market, and this was the single biggest liquidation day in history, even almost 10 times as big as the 2020 pandemic. Now, in March 2020, obviously, as I said, we also had a big liquidation event, and it took XRP's price roughly 250 days to recover. So we had the crash. It took XRP 250 days to go back to that exact same point from the crash and to break above. In that specific bull run, XRP did a 17x in terms of multipliers. Fast forward to January 2017, we also had a very big liquidation event in crypto back then. It took XRP's price 56 days in that specific bull run to recover from the crash to the exact same point of the crash and to break above. It took 56 days. Now, why am I telling you guys this? I'm telling you this because we are right now almost a month further than the 10th of October, and it is very normal to see sideways or choppy price action after such a big liquidation event. It will take some time to recover those losses, but I do believe that from a risk-reward perspective, this is not the moment to give up. This is the time to hold because, yeah, as I said, this was the biggest liquidation event. And also, if you look at the weekly time frame for XRP, the second biggest wick on that specific weekly candle. So 2017 had the biggest wick, and this one, 2025, the second largest wick to the downside. So let that also sink in, guys. The second thing that I want to discuss is that price is right now consolidating above the previous bull market peak of 2021, which provided resistance at roughly $2. We are right now trading above, and we are holding above with multiple monthly closes. Guys, this is by no means something bearish. This is actually very bullish. We are holding previous bull market resistance as new support. Yes, we're going sideways. We're not seeing any real progress to the upside, but overall, this is a bullish thing. For me, I would say the line in the sand is roughly $2. If we break below $2, if we close weekly candles below, then yes, I would have to say to you guys, maybe it's good to de-risk the portfolio. Maybe we are going lower in the next few months or so. But for now, guys, there is no reason for me to tell you that because it is still looking bullish. By the way, if you're looking for an exchange to use, I would highly recommend Phemex or AscendEX. Official links down below in the video description. If you use my links, then you will also have the benefit of very cheap trading fees, so check it out. The next thing that I want to discuss is actually XRP's liquidation heat map, which currently shows that all the liquidity is stacked up, I would say between $3 and $4, so above the current price. At the beginning of October, almost all the liquidity was below the XRP price. Eventually, the XRP took all the liquidity below. We had a huge liquidation candle to the downside. Personally, I didn't expect such a big candle, but we took all the liquidity because price always eventually goes after the highest liquidity in the market. Now, since that liquidity is right now stacked up above the current price, I'm very much in favor of a move to the upside sooner rather than later. And also keep in mind that November is historically the most bullish month for XRP. So yeah, at this moment in time, guys, you don't want to give up at the beginning of November, while all of these points are pointing to a lot more upside and to bullish price action. So let me know what you think about this in the comments, of course, down below. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, official link down below. I'm posting a lot of additional XRP crypto content over there. Check it out. I want to thank you for watching, for the support. See you in the next XRP update. Bye bye.